Every child is a genius. Abacus is a calculating tool utilizing from bits instead of numbers, used primarily for performing arithmetic processes like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Considered the forerunner of modern calculators, the abacus was invented to enhance the problem-solving capabilities by contributing to the brain development through the coordinated use of both lobes of the brain in conducting the mathematical operations. The research is conducted in such countries as India, Japan, China, and Malaysia, implementing the abacus-based mental arithmetic training since the 1950s, have revealed that the left side of the brain processes information in a logical and linear manner, whereas the right side, responsible for imagination, dimension, color, and rhythm functions, deals mostly with the whole picture rather than details, and processes information by the aid of shapes and imagination. Hence, the right lobe of the brain is faster and more effective for learning. The Tiamo mental arithmetic training offers a balanced development of the right and left brain lobes, whereby children are raised as more prolific, faster thinking, and more creative individuals. 75% of the human intelligence develops until the age of 7, while the development of 95% of it is completed by the age of 12. Since we target at contributing to the mental development of the children in Tiamo mental arithmetic training, it's essential that such training be received by children before the completion of their mental development. Please make sure that students of 5 to 12 ages receive such training without any delay and do not leave up the future of your child to chance. By means of the Tiamo training, the balanced development of the right and left brain lobes of your child is guaranteed. Individuals having parallel developed right and left brain lobes are more prolific and are capable of finding far more solutions. Your child will respond to mathematical operations with the speed of a calculator, and eventually his classroom leadership skills will develop and his self-confidence will be strengthened. As he will have the opportunity to complete their homework assignments faster, he may spare time for himself, be in touch with others, and thus may socialize. The concentration and attention skills of your child will develop, therefore, your child will not make any calculation errors in the examinations he is to undergo throughout his entire life. The hearing, sound focusing, and memory skills of your child will be empowered, enabling the child to easily focus on the teacher inside the classroom and to learn in class, and his overall classroom skills will also be intensified. The perception, commenting, analysis, and synthesis skill of your child will develop, and your child will thus not face any time problem in the examinations. Your child will like the mathematics and geometry classes and will develop a feeling of self-sufficiency and success. Your child will like the mathematics and geometry classes and will develop a feeling of self-sufficiency and success. Are you ready to change the world of your child with Tiamo?